Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your Google BigQuery datasets with scheduled ingestion, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the BigQuery section from the left side menu. Select the project containing the dataset you want to update. Click on the dataset you wish to modify. In the dataset details, locate the Create Table option. Select this option to start the process for scheduled ingestion. Choose the data source from which you want to ingest data. Options include Google Cloud Storage, BigQuery tables, or external data sources. Configure the source settings according to your chosen data source. For Google Cloud Storage, specify the bucket and file format. Fill in the necessary information for table and dataset details. Make sure to set the correct field options for the new table. Scroll down to the Advanced Options section. Here, look for the partitioning settings. Select partitioning if you want to manage data efficiently. You can select a partitioning field based on your data needs. Next, scroll to find the Schedule feature for ingestion. Click on Create Scheduled Query. Set the frequency for how often you want the ingestion to run. You can choose daily, weekly, or a custom frequency. Specify the time zone according to your requirements. Fill in the SQL query required for ingestion. Ensure the query accurately reflects the data you wish to update. Once your query is complete, proceed to the Destination Table settings. Set the destination table where the ingested data will reside. You can choose to append data or overwrite existing data. Review all settings to ensure accuracy before finalizing. Click on Run to execute the scheduled ingestion setup. After completion, check the job history to verify successful ingestion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.